Hi, I'm Jesse Palmer, and you're watching Life Minute TV. We're getting ready to film a new season of Summer Baking Championship on Food Network, so it's go, go, go. I don't know about you, I love hosting parties for the big game. My heart is with San Francisco because once upon a time I played for the 49ers, but I just don't know how you can bet against the Chiefs right now. They look so good this postseason. Patrick Mahomes is amazing. I think it's going to be Kansas City. I really want to make things easy on the people that come over to watch the game. So I'm really excited to be teaming up with Avocados from Mexico to help people at home elevate their big game party with a better bowl of guacamole. So I know that everything's better with Avocados from Mexico, and you've got to have guac on game day. It's just not game day without guac, right? So you start with Avocados from Mexico, all mashed up here. This is a guac bar. This is key to my big game party. You got salt, you've got lime, and we've got all the extra toppings around us here. We've got some onions, we've got crunchy toppings, we've got some bacon, we've got some fruits, and my personal favorite, jalapeños, because I do love a spicy bowl of guac. Avocados from Mexico has actually come up with a really cool first of its kind AI tool. It's called Guac-ai-mole. All you've got to do is go to betterbowl.ai and then you just upload photos of the ingredients you have and it will instantly generate a curated recipe for your guac just for you. It's fun, it's interactive, it's super easy to use, and it is guaranteed to make your game day party so much better. I think the biggest way to help take the stress out of the big game day preparation is to buy your avocados early. You want to give them an opportunity to ripen so that they're just perfect when you're making your amazing bowl of guac on game day. To take the stress out, you don't want to be ripping and racing out of your home hours before because you forgot an ingredient. Getting the avocados early is a great way to remove the stress on game day. There are actually a lot of great hacks for helping your avocados ripen quicker. You can take an avocado, put it in a brown paper bag with a banana. You can take an avocado, put it in a bowl of uncooked rice. You can put it out in sunlight. And then if you're like me, sometimes maybe you buy too many avocados. You want them to stay ripe a little bit longer. You can take a ripe avocado, put it in the fridge. It'll actually stay longer. So lots of hacks for people out there that may be crunched on time. For more information, people can go to avocadosfrommexico.com to learn more. And of course, they can also go to betterbowl.ai for some amazing recommendations on awesome recipes for a better bowl of guac. I'm a big avocado fan. Avo in the morning with avocado toast. I love my guacamole. We talked about my spicy guacamole on game day. I just carry avocados around in my pocket at this point.